Hey everyone, welcome to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. But now let's get right in today's topic, which is regarding none other than Litecoin. It's that time, guys. It is that time. You guys know, especially if you're a viewer on my channel, I've been covering Litecoin literally before anyone was talking about it. When no one literally had interest in Litecoin, there was one guy who was continuing making updates for it, and that was me. You guys are free to go watch my updates. I know my viewers know that, and now everyone is starting to talk about Litecoin, and it's only going to get crazier. And I've been saying this, so we're going to get more into detail on Litecoin's update and see what is happening and what could really happen as this month has just started. And of course, this month there's a lot of good news to come out. Of course, the China news, but forget about that. We're going to be talking about specifically Litecoin and what can happen to Litecoin's price as we do go into this month of June. So looking at the price right now, currently sitting at $95. It's up 6.2% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative, also up 6.2% in Bitcoin comparative over the last 24 hours. Looking at its market cap, it's approaching that $7 billion mark, and the 24-hour trading volume has gone through the roof at $1 billion. Guys, look at that. The buying pressure is increasing at such a fast rate, and that really shows the interest level is coming into LTC. And if still that doesn't tell you enough, look at this. On Google Trends worldwide, we're sitting at all-time highs over the last 1 week in terms of searches about Litecoin, and more people are going to start searching about it, and of course more and more people are going to start covering Litecoin, and that is going to get more people excited. Remember, I said the Litecoin halving is literally just 59 days away, and in crypto, markets can move up, coins can move up in a matter of a week. So I was covering this months back, and I was saying Litecoin might be stagnant, but closer to the date I could really see things picking up, and we're starting to see that really come into play right in front of our eyes. So let's do our analysis, see what is happening with LTC and where we could see the prices going in the immediate short term. As always, you guys know that anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. But look what is happening, guys. This is looking insanely bullish, like one of the best looking charts in the crypto space, and I've said that to you guys before, and it's clear indication that we are very close to a massive breakout for LTC. So looking at the price of Litecoin right now, currently sitting at $95.11, but let's zoom out a little bit and let's look what is really happening. So you guys can see, let me bring out it from this angle. Look at it. Look how beautiful this chart looks like, guys. This is one of the best looking charts, and if you picked up Litecoin at the beginning of the year, which was January 1st, where are you? There you go. You are up about 30%. 32%, which again, some people might say that is not much, but we will definitely take that. And especially for the people that picked it up last June at its all-time lows after the bull market, which is $42.11. So if you picked it up at that price point, you are already up 124%. So Litecoin has been literally since its all-time low, well, not all-time low, for the previous bull cycle, its low in the bear market was $42, and since then, if we literally look at it, it's just been an upwards trajectory since then. And you cannot make this up. Even in November, we did see a little bit of a retracement, of course, due to the FTX collapse, but still upwards trajectory. And this time around, it has done what we want it to be doing, but at the same time, a huge level of resistance right in front of us, and we need to see the price of LTC breaking out of here. This time around, if Litecoin in the next few hours could break out of this zone, I am convinced that we could be setting a new yearly high. And once a new yearly high is set, I really do believe Litecoin will have the legs poised to make a move more towards the upside and possibly start even hitting prices like the $150 level of resistance. That would be the major level of resistance to cross once we break out of the level of resistance at $1.15. So things are looking really, really good right now. A lot of interest is coming in Litecoin, and as we go closer to this Litecoin halving, I really do believe Litecoin is going to be making some massive gains across that. But maybe the day of the Litecoin halving, we might see a sell-off, or like a few days before, because of course people do sell the news. But into the day, like leading up to that date, we could see LTC putting some new yearly highs after new yearly highs, and my target for Litecoin is $150. And if it crosses that, let the FOMO really kick in. So things are looking great. But if we look at Bitcoin right now, Bitcoin is seeing a little bit of a retracement within its price. Of course, it's sitting below the 61.8 Fibonacci retracement level, but it's nothing new. We've been bouncing back and forth between the 61.8, 78.2 a few times now. So it's no secret at this point. And of course, as the month of June started, of course, manipulation can happen as well. The whales can kind of shake out some longs that were getting too crazy. Of course, the crazy moon boy is saying, we're gonna just go 100x leverage and things are gonna go our way. Absolutely not. This is why I tell each and every one of you guys to stay away from leverage trading to begin with, because even if the trend is bullish and an upwards trend, you can still get shaken out quite fast. But that is the current analysis on Bitcoin. But the reason as to why I'm showing you Bitcoin is Litecoin is not caring about what Bitcoin is doing or not. Litecoin has its own goals. Litecoin wants to move out of this level of resistance, and that's really starting to show. And even this month, I would not be surprised if LTC, if it were to hit a new yearly high, I would not be surprised if it decouples from BTC in somewhat, not like completely, but not get impacted by BTC's price as much, because of course more interest is going to come into it. And now you may be saying that is absolutely crazy, but come on, we've seen that happen before. Look at Quant last year during a bear market. During a bear market, it was making massive strides. So this is crypto, guys. Things can really start heating up quite fast. And of course, LTC, our OG project, which is seen as a store of value at this point. Huge big players in the financial sector are also back in this. So of course, a lot of interest is going to come into it, and I am projecting that Litecoin is going to shock a lot of people, especially the haters that did not believe in it a few months ago. So that is my personal analysis on it. Of course, let me know down below what you guys think. But I think in the next few hours, if we break out of this level of resistance, I am projecting a new yearly high for Litecoin. But yeah, of course, let me know your personal thoughts on this. Are you guys accumulating Litecoin? Are you guys holding your Litecoin? What is your strategy on this? And where do you see the price of Litecoin going as we do go further into the month of June, and of course get into the month of July, the month of Litecoin halving? But that is it for today's update. Love you all. See you tomorrow. Been Crypto ZX, and peace out.